Welcome to Electronic Systems and Devices product demonstration. This is Flow Indicator Totalizer with strap table. So we'll just go through the various modes. I press the function key, Totalizer, set points, data log. It has an inbuilt RTC and time for logging the data to pen drive. Configuration, input calibration, output calibration. Now we'll go one by one into each of the modes. First is Totalizer. You can reset the totalizer action reset, no. If you press increment key, it will prompt for the password. The default password is 134. Sorry, 134, write message. You can reset the totalizer, yes. You can resume or keep the totalizer pause. I'll keep it resumed. Now you can see it started counting again. Okay, so that is the totalizer actions. Then we'll go to set points. There are two set points in the standard module. This is just an indicator, so if there are set points you will get the LEDs here. This is just a plain indicator, so there are no LED indications, but still we'll go and check the settings for the set point. Set point 1, hysteresis, relay logic high low. Similarly set point 2, hysteresis 2, relay logic 2. Then we'll go to the data log mode. Time in hours, 24 hours. It's 10:38 now, 16th of October, year 2024. Log interval, you can keep it from 1 to 90 minutes. I've kept it, 1 is the minimum, maximum is 90 minutes. I've kept it to the minimum, that's 1. Then we'll go to the configuration mode. You can change the decimal points for the totalizer and the flow. Default password again is 134. So you can just keep it anywhere you want. I'll keep it this point now. Then the flow type, you can select linear, square root or strap. So in this we'll keep it as strap. So maximum strap entries you can enter is 32 points. So from 4 to 20 milliamperes, see there are 16 milliamperes. So for every 0.5 milliamperes you will have a entry in the strap table. Step change for the strap, that is you can say based on this you will this is the input side, and the output will enter the values in the next mode. You can change the flow unit, gallons, feet cube, meter cube, ton, MLD, that is million liters per day. I will keep it to liters. And time base you can keep seconds, minutes or hour. I will keep it as seconds. This is input lower limit, the flow corresponding to 4 milliamperes you have to enter here. Input upper limit, the flow corresponding to 20 milliamperes you have to enter here. You can change this. Same is for output lower limit and output upper limit. If this module doesn't have the retransmission, 4 to 20 retransmission, but these two settings are for that. Offset, if there is some error in the sensor, you can give it a plus minus offset. I'll keep it 0 now. Set point 1 on flow or totalizer. You can change the set points. If you want on totalizer, you can keep it. Similarly, for set point 2 also you can keep it on totalizer. Long format, this is for Modbus RTU protocol communication. So there are 4 types: ABCD, CDAB, BADC, DCAB. Slave address again for Modbus communication, we'll keep it default. Baud rate, there are 4 baud rates. Now this is the strap table entry. So the flow 1, I've kept it at 18.0. So you can change it here, whatever you want. I'll change it to say 16. Then flow 2, that's the second point in the step table. So this way you can enter up to 32 points. Now if you see 7 number is 30, and if I go to say 8, so this point cannot go beyond the value which was there for the 7th reading. So 7th reading was 30, so the 8th point cannot go beyond 30. If I try to decrement, it's not going beyond 30. So it has to be greater than the previous step. That's the interlock we have added. So I'll keep it 32, and same way if you just keep on entering each point up to 32 points. You can enter. Okay, then we'll go to the input calibration. Password for default password for input calibration is 191. The user password was 134, and for calibration it's 191. So this has been already been calibrated. I will just walk you through this. Input calib 0 calibration. You have to feed 4 milliamperes from the source, and then you will get a reading here, and then press enter. On pressing enter, it will go to input calib span, and here you will get 20 milliamperes. Then you have to feed the 20 milliamperes reading and press enter. Now I will skip that part because this has already been calibrated. I will just quickly check the output calibration. Again the password is 191. So here you have to feed the readings from the keyboard. Okay, and then you will get the corresponding output. You have to measure on the multimeter, and then for 4 milliamperes when you get on the multimeter, press enter. Then it will go to span, then if increment decrement, and again check for 20 milliamperes on the multimeter and press enter. So that way output calibration will be done. This module has USB pen drive at the back side. This is the pen drive, and it will save the file based on the date's name. So today's file, it will be 16-10-24.csv. It's a comma separated file. Thank you.